Every stage is connected. What began as harvested sugarcane becomes wearable fabric through one continuous industrial journey. Long before it becomes clothing, every sugarcane stalk must pass strict inspection for quality and freshness.
The softness of tomorrow's fabric depends on the quality of today's sugarcane.
Timing matters. Fresh sugarcane moves quickly from storage to processing to preserve its valuable cellulose. Every cut prepares the plant for the complex extraction process that follows. Every kilogram is recorded. Accurate measurements ensure consistent fiber quality from batch to batch. This is the final preparation step. From here, sugarcane begins its transformation into the fibers that will eventually become soft clothing. Before valuable cellulose can be extracted, the plant must first be broken down into thousands of tiny fibers. This is where the real transformation begins. The valuable cellulose hidden inside every sugarcane stalk starts to emerge. What remains is the most valuable part of the plant, the cellulose that will eventually become incredibly soft fabric. Everything before this was preparation. From this point forward, sugarcane begins becoming textile fiber. Purity matters. Cleaner cellulose creates stronger fibers and softer finished clothing. Purity matters. Cleaner cellulose creates stronger fibers and softer finished clothing.
The smoother the cellulose becomes now, the smoother the fibers will feel later.
The viscosity levels are stabilizing right on target.
Good, maintain the current flow rate.
Every batch is tested because even small variations can affect the softness of the final fabric.
The liquid now begins its journey toward becoming thousands of continuous textile fibers.
This is the moment sugarcane truly becomes fabric. Liquid cellulose transforms into thousands of soft, continuous fibers. These fibers may look delicate, but controlled stretching dramatically improves both their strength and softness. Removing moisture carefully is just as important as creating the fibers themselves. Stability begins here. An almost invisible finish protects every fiber during the demanding stages that follow. Thousands of tiny fibers now work together as one continuous thread, strong enough to become fabric. Before a single piece of fabric is woven, every spool must prove it's ready. Perfect alignment now prevents imperfections later. Precision begins long before weaving starts. Thousands of threads cross one another with perfect timing, creating fabric meter after meter.
Now the fabric begins to reveal the softness consumers will eventually feel.
Softness alone isn't enough. The fabric must also hold its shape after countless uses. Only flawless fabric continues its journey. The next stop is where rolls of textile become real clothing. For the first time, the fabric begins looking like clothing. Precision here determines the quality of every finished garment.
Each stack already belongs to a future shirt. Nothing moves forward until every piece is accounted for.
The transformation becomes personal here. Flat fabric begins becoming something someone will eventually wear. These tiny stitches are almost invisible, yet they determine how long the clothing will last. After dozens of manufacturing stages, the clothing finally becomes whole. Before machines finish the clothing, experienced human eyes verify every important detail. Heat and steam give every garment its final professional appearance before packaging. Every stitch is digitally controlled, ensuring every logo looks exactly the same. The smallest details often make the biggest difference in perceived quality. Before reaching a store shelf, every garment receives its permanent identity and final approval. Softness isn't judged by touch alone. Modern factories measure it with precision instruments.
Even folding follows engineering standards. Every package begins looking exactly the same.
The first impression begins long before someone opens the package.
Every label tells part of the product's story, from its size to its manufacturing history.
Hundreds of quality checks lead to this final decision. Pass, and the journey continues.
This protective layer keeps every garment clean, from the factory floor to the customer's hands.
The product is no longer just clothing. It's now ready for stores around the world.
Each barcode connects the finished garment to warehouses, retailers, and customers worldwide. Individual garments become global shipments, one perfectly stacked pallet at a time. Before a single shipment leaves the factory, one final inspection ensures every customer receives exactly what was intended. Inside every box is more than clothing. It's the final chapter of an extraordinary manufacturing journey. Every package is checked one final time before it joins thousands of others headed around the world. The manufacturing process is complete. Now, logistics takes over.
From this loading dock, today's production begins its journey to customers across the globe.
From fresh sugarcane to soft clothing, every stage works together like one enormous living machine. Integrated
Behind every garment is a factory, driven not only by machines, but by data.
Only hours ago, this was standing in a field. Tomorrow, it could be hanging in a store thousands of miles away.
The factory's work is finished. The product's journey has only just begun.
Few people realize that something this soft began life as a simple sugarcane plant.